Alright, next up in our series of unboxing videos, we have the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. This is a 3-cooler 3060 Ti gaming graphics card. Overclocking. This does have the RGB lighting on it as well, which is nice. So we're going to open this up and take a look. Oh, here, let me show you the back real quick. It does have a lot of content back there. The 3X cooling system, advanced heat pipes, protective back metal plate, which a lot of cards have now, which is really nice to keep the circuitry protected. And then, like I said, the RGB lighting on this card as well. And it is, I believe, the overclock edition too, so it has capabilities for that as well. So that's the box. This is the box it comes in. Kind of a nice packaging. If you watch the MSI one, the MSI one just goes straight into a piece of foam on the top. So this one you get a little bit more box to unbox, if you enjoy that kind of thing. So let's go ahead and open that up. Here we have our piece of protective foam right there on top. So we'll go ahead and remove that. And then, much like everything else, there's the graphics card inside. And that's all they give you. You don't get any extra cables or anything like that. Here is the card. Open this up. I did open this one previously, which is why the seal is broken here. Just in case you're wondering on that. Go ahead and slide this out. And as you can see there, very large card. It's got the 3 coolers, metal plate on the back. And then this one does have, actually this is a little bit different than the MSI as well. This actually has 2 display ports and 2 HDMI. So a little bit different there on the ports that are available. And then this one too, something important to keep in mind on the GIGABYTE GeForce 3060 Ti. This is, what is this, version 2 or 3? This is revision 3. I don't know if I have a revision 2 or not, but I can tell you for sure on the revision 3, because this threw me off at first. It does have a 8-pin and a 6-pin port, and from what I could tell, you need to plug both of those in. So if you're running multiple GPUs, you gotta make sure you have the plugs available for all these to be able to plug all that in. A lot of 3060 Ti's only needed one 8-pin port. This one does have an 8-pin and a 6-pin port on it. So there you go. That is the GIGABYTE. What do they call it? I guess it's just a GIGABYTE 3060 Ti. They don't really give it any extra branding on here. Yeah, so there you go. That is that. If you have any questions on this card, post them in the comments below. I will do my best to try and answer those as I can. But if that is it for this video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.